everyone, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to do a makeshift self-watering pot. So I'm going to teach you how to do that. What we're going to do is I picked up this zebra plant today. This is my second zebra plant, so I do know very well that they like a lot of moisture. Constant watering practically. If you let them dry out too much, there's no coming back from that. They will just wilt and plop out on you. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this 6-inch zebra pot. We're going to take this cash pot, no drainage on the bottom, this cash pot, or what you, I like to call them a cover pot, but you can call them what you want, that's fine. And we're also going to be taking this wick, and we're just going to create our own self-watering can. Now this wick, I got it from a different self-watering can, but I did go ahead and place an order on Amazon for like 30 feet of this for like $5 so that I could replace what I'm using, and also to be able to continue to make my own self-watering pots. So I think the easiest way to do this is to just grab yourself another pot, basically pull the plant out of the pot. I'm just setting it in the other one. We're not actually using it. Okay. And now we have our pot that our zebra plant was in. And we're just going to be taking this cord, this wick or shoelace or whatever it is you want to use, and go through one of the bottom holes. And then what I like to do is just kind of wrap it around the bottom of the pot like this. So it has full coverage, and then of course I'm leaving enough out here. Now this pot is going to sit right about here. So this is what is going to bring up and wick the moisture. So now I'm going to put my zebra plant back in. And I have my wick here at the bottom that's wrapped around, and it's going to bring up the moisture to the pot. And now, we obviously, I mean, this pot here has like more of a closed kind of bottom, so it will sit right here, but it still sits a tad bit lower than I would like for this zebra plant to sit. So to show you, it kind of sits a little bit lower, and I want my plant to sit just a little bit higher. So if your plant or if your pot does not have that kind of bottom extra space and it's just a flat pot, all you want to do is put a couple of things underneath it just to raise your plant. So for example, for this one here, all I'm going to do is take a regular old 4-inch pot, and I'm going to put it in upside down, and that's it. So it's upside down sitting in there like this, and then my plant is going to go and sit right on top of that. And here's how she's going to look. Now all I have to do is fill up that bottom reservoir. I could actually try to find a smaller pot just because it's a little bit too tall, but that's okay, I don't mind. I even have, let's see, could I use 2 of these? I have these little tiny pots to help raise. They're a little bit shorter, so let me grab another one of these. And I can stick these on the bottom of the pot like this. Set my plant right on top. She does sit lower, but not too low. I still have like, I don't know, 1/2 inch before she starts to raise up out of the pot. And I think that that's going to be perfect. So then I'm just going to fill up that bottom reservoir up to where the top of my pot is. So what I'm going to do now is fill up this bottom reservoir that I have just to like right below where the top of these little seed pots are. And then when I set in my zebra plant, that wick is going to be in the water, and it's just going to wick up all the moisture that I need for the pot. And it's super easy to turn it into a self-watering pot. You don't have to worry about my leaves drooping. I don't have to worry about my leaves drooping. I don't have to worry about if I watered her. I'm just going to check maybe once a week, every week and a half or so, and make sure that this part of my reservoir is filled with water. So all you really want to do is make sure that you get a pot that's a little bit deeper than what your nursery pot is. That's this black pot. That's the nursery pot. You just want to make sure that it's a little bit deeper than that, and be able to set something on top of it. You can put an upside down nursery pot like I did. You can put a couple of rocks. You can put a couple of blocks. It doesn't really matter. All you want to do is raise the pot up so it's not sitting in water, and then allow the wick to use the moisture to water your plant. All right? Thank you everyone for watching. Again, I'm Crystal. Don't forget to like and subscribe for little tips and tricks of what you can do, plant shopping, repotting, whatever it is, and I will see you next time.